Hello my friends, in this episode I will show you a very quick way to make a picture based on the teal and orange color combination. Orange is in the skin tone and blue is in the shadows. I will be editing in Adobe Camera Raw, you can do this in Lightroom. First, we try to get the picture with natural color and exposure. In Lightroom and Camera Raw, the basis of the color is set by Color Mixer tab. We select the Saturation tab and do not touch only red and orange. These tints form the skin tone. We reduce other tints of color. If we don't like the skin tone, we go to the Hue tab and adjust the red and orange. It's important to get the right combination here. And now we go to the Color Grading tab and the Shadow color wheel and shift the pointer towards the blue color. We choose the middle option. The tint is chosen according to your taste. This slider is used to adjust the brightness of the shadows. You can also tweak it to get the result you want. You can add a fade effect. Open the curve and raise the black point. Don't forget to fix this point. We can always adjust the skin tone again or change the hue in the shadows. Look at this, before and after. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, subscribe to the channel, see you next time.